If you grew up in Goa, this sweet will touch your heart instantly. Neureos. My version is simple, homely, and absolutely delicious. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. I'll begin by preparing the filling for the Neureos. Place a kadai on low flame. Add 1/4 cup of semolina into it. We will roast it until it turns crisp and aromatic. Now I'll transfer it into a bowl. Into the same pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, 3/4 tablespoon of chopped cashew nuts. We will roast it until it turns light brown in color. Now I'm adding half tablespoon of sesame seeds. Next goes in 3/4 tablespoon of chopped raisins. Now we will add half cup of fresh grated coconut. We will roast it until it turns light brown. I love how simple ingredients create such a comforting sweet. Adding cashew nuts and raisins make every bite feel festive. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it well. Next goes in the roasted semolina. Mix it well. Add salt as per your taste and mix. Turn off the flame and let it cool. Now we will prepare the dough. In this bowl I have taken 1 cup of flour. To this I am adding salt. Mix it well. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of melted clarified butter. Mix it. I'll add water little by little and knead into a soft dough. After kneading the dough, cover and let it rest for 15 minutes. To the filling, I am adding 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and I'll mix it well. For now, we will keep this aside. Sprinkle some flour on the work surface, knead the dough for a few minutes, and then roll the dough into a log. Divide the dough into two portions. Cut each portion into smaller portions. Shape the portions into round balls. I'm rolling one portion and then I'm cutting to form a cross. Sprinkle some flour on a tray and then place the cross on it. Now roll the dough thin. Place the filling in the center like this. Apply water around the edges like this. The filling is the heart of the whole recipe. Every family has their own version. Fold it like this. Gently press the edges to seal. Trim the edges off with a pastry cutter, or you can even design the edges as per your choice. This part is so calming. I love shaping each one. Each Nevryo gets its own little design. Even if the edges are not perfect, it's completely fine. Imperfect shapes have their own charm. This is the type of recipe that's best made slowly without hurry, just enjoying the process. Heat oil in the kadai. Once the oil reaches the ideal temperature, deep fry the cross till it turns light golden. Then start deep frying the Neuris. I fry them on medium heat. Slow frying keeps them crisp and golden. The moment the Neuris rise to the top and turn golden, that's the happiest part of this recipe. The gentle bubbling sound is so peaceful. By the way, if you like this recipe, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Also, do check out my channel as I have uploaded many recipes. These look simple, but they carry so much love and tradition. Every Goan house has memories with Neureos. It's more than just a sweet. You know a Nevryo is perfect when it stays crisp even after cooling. Making traditional sweets always brings me peace. It reminds me of family, festivals, and simple times. If you make this, tag me on Instagram. I love seeing your recreations. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.